Did you know globally obesity levels have nearly tripled since 1975? A startling reality indeed, but fear not, because the ketogenic diet, popularly known as the keto diet, can be your knight in shining armor. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been shown to aid in rapid weight loss. But how does it work, you ask? Well, by drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake, the keto diet puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. In this state, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, supplying energy for the brain. Implementing the keto diet is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First off, start your day with a keto-friendly breakfast. Think eggs and bacon, or if you're vegetarian, perhaps a smoothie made with almond milk, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder. For lunch, opt for a salad with a good source of protein like chicken or tofu, and don't be shy with the olive oil. Remember, keto is all about high-fat intake. When dinner rolls around, think about having a piece of fatty fish like salmon, paired with some leafy greens. And if you feel peckish in between meals, reach for keto-friendly snacks like nuts or cheese. Now, it's important to remember that while on the keto diet, you should avoid sugar and starch-rich foods like bread and pasta, as well as fruit, which is high in sugar. Drinking plenty of water and keeping your electrolytes in balance is also crucial while on the keto diet, as it can help alleviate symptoms of the dreaded keto flu, such as fatigue and headache. So, to summarize, the ketogenic diet plan involves incorporating these steps into your lifestyle can put you on the fast track to achieving your weight loss goals. But remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new diet plan. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to the ketogenic diet. Here's to your health and wellness journey.